Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, KGFL Creations. Today is Think Pink unboxing day. Yeah, my box arrived. It took about, I would say maybe 8 to 9 days to arrive here since the email that I received that it was being shipped. So, you know, it didn't take that long, but it was sitting over there until I had some time to open the box. I have my glasses with me. I have my scissors, so I am ready to go. This box is not as heavy as last month, and it's a little bit smaller than last month's box. So let's cut this open and see what's in here. Oh, I already see that it's not that box that I like. It's one of these boxes here. Oof, my light is so strong. I don't think you can see it. There's a lot of reflection here. Okay, so let's open this puppy. It's a little bit smushed right here. You can see right here, it's a bit smushed, but that's the usual now. Every time I get a box, it's always smushed. Now let's see what's inside. This is just so cute. Pumpkin spice and all things nice. This is just adorable. It is Thanksgiving time. It is pumpkin time. This is just adorable. I really like this card. I love Thanksgiving time when it's time to decorate the house. All right, in the back it says box, Sewscription box 33. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric, and there are 3 colorways. Not like last month, there was only 1 colorway. This month we have 3 colorways. All right. And the box, the cover, it's wrapped in this orange tissue paper here. Really nice and pretty. Now let's see if I can just rip this open and not look at it and see what's inside this box. All right, I feel the fabric. It's nice and soft. But everything else is, oh, I already saw the fabric. Everything else is at the bottom. What is this? You are really great. Oh, it's a card. Oh. I don't think you're going to be able to see it because of the plastic. I'll take it out of the plastic. Oh, it's just a little card. You are really great, but it's R-E-E-L-Y. With all the little spools here. This is just so cute. I don't think I can send this to anybody. I think I'm gonna keep this one. It's just adorable. This little card. And then there's this here. It's a little plastic bag so you can put something inside, which is nice. Little baggie. I think these are chocolates right here. Yeah, I think it's chocolate. Either chocolate or some type of candy. These little things right here. I think it's chocolate, but we'll see. I'll open and I'll tell you what it is. And this is the Gutermann thread right here. That's the color of the thread. I have not watched any of the openings yet. I know there's a few YouTube videos out there, but I haven't watched any, so I have no idea what the other colors are, but this is nice and pretty. I'll put it back in the little baggie. Now let's see if there's anything else. Oh, the fabric is nice and soft. Wow. Wow. Now this is really, really pretty. And to me, this is a viscose. And it's really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at this. A lot of different colors. A lot of purples and blues and gray. Wow, it is really, really pretty. I am stunned by this one. Wow, this is really, I really, really like this one. It is a viscose for sure. Now I am going to look at the ebook to see the other colors, and I'm going to show this to my husband and to my daughter, and I'll be right back. I'm back from showing this pretty fabric here to my husband and to my daughter. This right here. And my husband's were like, wow, that is really pretty. And my daughter, she also liked it. She said it was really pretty. And the question that they both had is, what are you gonna make with it? So I'm hoping to make something that I could wear for my Thanksgiving office party with this. So I'm thinking of making a dress because this is a 100% viscose. Yeah, I did check the ebook. There's a lot of ideas there for making dresses and skirts. And I think that was pretty much it. It was just dresses and skirts. It was a lot of atelier jupe and maison fauve. Yeah, some of the, a lot of them, there were many for maison fauve. I don't own any of the atelier jupe patterns, and I don't have any of the maison fauve patterns. So I am going to look at my Trello account and I'm going to select a dress from some of the patterns that I have, either Butterick or McCall's or Simplicity or Love Notions or one of the ones that I do have. And I'm going to make a dress out of this pretty thing right here. So you will see me in just a bit. And I am back with my finished garment. I ended up making a dress. I don't know if some people guessed what it was, but it's a dress. Yeah, I had to make a dress with this beautiful fabric here. Really, really pretty. Front and back. As we go along, I will insert a couple of pictures. Actually I'll put some pictures right here. I did take some pictures outside. It was almost getting dark. Now it gets dark here pretty early because we changed our clocks in the beginning of November, so it's getting early, but I was able to finish this dress yesterday, and I went out and I took some photos yesterday afternoon. I ended up making Butterick B6758. I will insert a little snippet here for you to see the actual pattern, the cover of the pattern. This here is just a regular button front here. It's almost, I would say, almost like a shirt dress, but it's not real a shirt dress because it doesn't have a collar here. It has just this little V going on right here. And it has a little pull string here that you can just pull and tie a little knot right there. And it came out really, really pretty. I really, really like this dress. And I am ready for my Thanksgiving lunch at the office. A couple of things that I want to talk about this fabric here. This is a viscose, like I said in the beginning. It is a viscose. I did have some of those pull lines, not as much as I had on one of the viscoses that I made the pants. But this one I used a Microtex needle. I used two. I started one and then halfway in I changed to another one just to make sure that it was very pointy and I wouldn't get it, but I still did get here and there a little bit of a pull. And I did the buttonholes also using that Microtex needle just to make sure that I didn't get too many pullings, but I did get some of the pulling. Also, I know that this is a dead stock, and I thought that I wasn't sure what a dead stock is. It's just you know, fabric that was made for the industry or something. That's what I think it is. But I'm not sure if that is dead stock also something that has some defects or something. I'm not sure, because I was looking at this fabric and I did find in a couple of places some lines going across. I don't know if where it was folded in the bolt, but there's something going on in the actual fabric. If I can get some good pictures, I'll put some pictures for you guys to see. But I was not 100% satisfied with this particular one, this box, just because of that. To me, this fabric has some defects on it. Not sure if just the dead stock has defects on the fabric. I am not sure, but you know, this thing is kind of expensive to me. It comes out to like 50 something, $57, $58 for the box. So it's like $21 per yard of fabric. So it is something that I don't really want to buy fabric that has defects on it. But I will try to get some close-up pictures of the actual fabric and I'll insert it for you guys to see. And then you can let me know if, you know, dead stock is just over produced fabric, or it's fabric that is overproduced and also has some defects on it. So I'm not sure what it is. So yeah, but you know, it's mostly, I do see it here in the back down here. There's like one line going on. I don't know if people will notice it, but I did notice when I was cutting the fabric and I was sewing, I could see some of those, you know, kind of like fading lines or something weird. Something weird, I'm not sure. But the dress came out really, really pretty and I am ready to wear this dress. When you guys see this video, it's the day that I'm wearing the dress, which is Tuesday, the day of the lunch party at the office. All right, you guys, that's all I had for you guys today. If you liked this video, please hit that like button below. And if you can also subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.